So I put collaboration and overall positivity of the Cardano community. I think, we're involved in quite a few blockchain projects, and to be invited into this workshop and actually just kind of the warmth and kind of general feeling here is quite special. So just be proud of that, because actually it's not something that happens every day. So I thought I love that.
So that we can, try to make sure that everything works together.
This was the second Node Diversity Workshop following Paris earlier this year, a space for developers to meet, share experience, and strengthen Cardano's multi-node ecosystem.
And I realize this is an infrastructure workshop. I still think the same kind of questions about who's going to use my software, what are they trying to do, could permeate deeper into what we are doing.
Yes, you can run a certain command and say, all right, see how far it goes back where the bug still occurs 100% of the time.
We focused on standards, test suites, and hard fork readiness. No politics, just builders working together to prepare for the future of Cardano governance.
A live running of the node. Then we'll talk about some small parts that are on top of Amaru with Amaru.com.
That's going to be a really live demo in the sense that we're still fixing stuff. Do compute rewards synchronously currently. The plan is still to do it in a separate thread.
I also really appreciated and learned a better understanding of the Cardano Foundation's data collection and what's in the works there.
Since I'm new to the group, it was great to meet everybody. Everybody was super kind and welcoming, so thank you for that. I really appreciate it. I'm Jeff, by the way.
Thanks to Amaru for organizing and supporting this edition. The next workshop is planned in about 4 months, likely on the US East Coast. Join us in shaping the future of Cardano.